Diverter valves and flow control valves are essential components in bulk solid handling systems. They are used to shut off flows, adjust flow speeds, and change conveying directions of powders, pellets, and granular bulk materials. Let's have a look at different types of these valves. Butterfly valves consist of a disc which rotates 90 degrees in circular hollow body. When fully open, it turns and becomes parallel to the flow direction, allowing minimum flow resistance. When fully closed, it is perpendicular to the flow direction and sealed against a seat. It functions as a shutoff valve and prevents the product flow completely with the aid of proper sealing. In slidegate valves, a rectangular blade made of thick sheet metal moves horizontally in the valve body. When the blade is in fully open position, bulk material in powdered or granular form falls freely through the valve. It can also be kept open at intended level to control product flow speed. It functions as a shutoff valve in closed position and prevents the product flow completely with the aid of proper sealing. Flap-type gravity discharge diverter valves are designed to divert gravity flow of bulk solids from one feeding point to two or more receiving points. Wear-resistant swivel flap is used for diverting the flow inside the valve. Depending on the application, it consists of flexible polyurethane rubber inner surfaces for better sealing. Flexible tube diverter valves are used in pneumatic conveying systems to divert bulk material flow from one feeding point to two or more receiving points. They are suitable for pressure and vacuum conveying lines. Flexible tube designed with small angular deviation between the inlet and outlet ports provides smoother flow. Since there is no change in cross-sectional area through the valve, pressure drop is kept minimum. Multiportdivertervalves are used in pneumatic conveying systems to divert bulk material flow from one feeding point to multiple receiving points, or from multiple feeding points to single receiving point. A distributor pipe rotates around an axis to connect single port to multiple ports with maximum sealing. As there is no change in cross-sectional area through the valve, pressure drop is kept minimum. Pinch valves are used in pneumatic conveying systems to control product flow inside pipelines. A flexible sleeve inside the body valve tightly closes the line with the help of external process air pressure. When the pinch valve is in open position, bulk material flows freely through the full bore of the valve. Since there is no change in cross-sectional area through the pinch valve, pressure drop is kept minimum. Flap-type pneumatic conveying diverter valves are designed to divert flow of bulk solids within conveying lines from one feeding point to two receiving points. A wear-resistant swivel flap is used for diverting the flow inside the valve. The small angular deviation between the inlet and outlet ports and minimum change in cross-section area through the valve provide smooth material flow and reduce pressure drop in the conveying line. Iris valves are generally installed in the outlet of big bags, hoppers, or any similar gravity discharge points. They provide an efficient way of controlling the flow of free-flowing bulk materials. A flexible sleeve inside the iris valve is used to open or close the valve. Moreover, it can also be kept open at intended level to control product flow speed. Flowcontrolgatevalves provide controlled discharging of bulk solids like cement and fly ash from silos and bins. They have upper and lower chambers divided by a fabric that maintains constant airflow to upper side. Upper chamber has a rotating drum with an aperture around its perimeter. Rotating the drum in one direction provides dust-tight shutoff. Rotating the drum to opposite direction provides an adjustable cross-sectional passage for material flow. By adjusting the exact position of the drum, bulk material flow speed can be adjusted with precision. In addition to standard production range, custom-designed diverter and flow control valves are available for the most demanding applications. Different bore sizes, unique flange connections, non-standard body designs, and special accessories are accomplished through our engineered products group. Custom-engineered production incorporates problem definition, conceptualization, design, validation, production, and installation. Polimak carries out these steps efficiently and provides custom-engineered solutions in short times. Potentially explosive atmospheres occur where fine dust of combustible bulk materials, like coal, sugar, wood, and starch are handled. These risks may occur when the combustible dust suspends on air, accumulated on hot surfaces, slides through chutes, or conveyed within pipes, etc. Any kind of ignition source like spark, overheating, excessive friction might lead to hazardous dust explosions in the zone. To decrease dust explosion risk to acceptable levels, Industrial processes should be designed and operated carefully. Polimak produces Atex-certified diverter and flow control valves for such processes. Please visit our website for detailed information about diverter valves. Polimak, our engineering, your success.